how to send USDT from Gateio to Binance. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send USDT from Gateio to Binance. Let's get started. First, log into your Gateio account. Go to Assets in the top right corner and select Spot account. Find Usdt in the list. You can also use the search bar to type Usdt and click on Withdraw. Now, select the network. I suggest using the BEP20 network because it has the lowest fees. Next, open the Binance app to find your BEP20 wallet address. Hover over the wallet icon in the top right and go to Spot account. On this page, locate Usdt. If you can't find it, use the search bar to type Usdt. On the right side, click the three dots and select the deposit page. Choose the BEP20 network and copy the wallet address provided. Go back to Gateio and paste the wallet address into the designated field. Enter the amount of Usdt you want to send. If everything looks correct, click Withdraw to send your Usdt from Gateio to Binance. In a maximum of 3 minutes, you can check your balance on Binance. To check your balance, go back to your Spot account on Binance and you will see your Usdt balance reflected there. That's all for the video.